Macaw, the colorful voice of the rainforest. In the heart of the world's tropical rainforests, where sunlight filters through towering trees and the air vibrates with life, a burst of color flashes across the sky. This is the macaw, one of the most intelligent, vocal, and visually stunning birds on Earth. Macaws belong to the parrot family and are famous for their bright feathers, powerful beaks, and long tails. Found mainly in Central and South America, these birds are true symbols of the rainforest's beauty and diversity. There are around 17 species of macaws, ranging from the massive hyacinth macaw, the largest flying parrot in the world, to smaller species like the severe macaw. Their feathers shine in brilliant shades of blue, red, yellow, green, and gold, colors that help them blend surprisingly well into the vibrant rainforest canopy. Macaws are highly social birds. In the wild, they are rarely seen alone. They live in pairs or large flocks and form strong emotional bonds with their partners. Once a macaw chooses a mate, the bond often lasts for life. You will often see pairs flying close together, grooming each other, or calling out in loud, echoing voices. That voice is impossible to ignore. Macaws are extremely vocal and use loud squawks, screams, and calls to communicate across long distances. These calls help them warn the flock of danger, locate one another, and strengthen social bonds. In the dense forest, sound travels farther than sight, making their voices a vital survival tool. One of the most powerful features of a macaw is its beak. Curved, strong, and sharp, it can easily crack open hard nuts and seeds that many other animals cannot eat. Their beaks are so strong that they can break Brazil nuts, one of the hardest nuts in the world. The beak is also used for climbing, defense, and even gentle grooming. Macaws are omnivores, but their diet mainly includes fruits, seeds, nuts, leaves, and flowers. Interestingly, many macaws regularly visit riverbanks or clay licks. Scientists believe they eat clay to neutralize toxins found in unripe fruits and seeds, helping protect their digestive system. Intelligence is one of the macaw's most remarkable traits. These birds have problem-solving skills similar to a young child. They can learn patterns, recognize colors, remember locations of food sources, and even mimic human speech. However, their ability to talk is not just mimicry. Macaws understand context and emotion, making their communication especially impressive. Macaws also have an exceptionally long lifespan. In the wild, they can live 40 to 60 years, and in captivity, some have lived over 80 years with proper care. This long life requires strong social bonds, mental stimulation, and a stable environment. Breeding season is a special time for macaws. They usually nest in tree cavities high above the ground. The female lays 2 to 3 eggs, and both parents take turns caring for the chicks. Baby macaws are born blind and featherless, completely dependent on their parents. It takes several months before they are ready to leave the nest. Despite their beauty and intelligence, macaws face serious threats. Deforestation, illegal pet trade, and habitat loss have caused a sharp decline in their populations. Some species, like the Spix's macaw, became extinct in the wild due to human activity, surviving only through conservation programs. Fortunately, conservation efforts are giving hope. Protected reserves, breeding programs, and stricter wildlife laws are helping some macaw species recover. Organizations around the world are working to restore habitats and educate communities about the importance of protecting these magnificent birds. Macaws are more than just colorful parrots. They are seed dispersers, forest gardeners, and indicators of rainforest health. When macaws thrive, it means the forest is alive and balanced. As the sun sets over the rainforest and the macaws return to their roosts, their calls echo one last time through the trees. A powerful reminder of nature's brilliance and the responsibility we share to protect it. The macaw is not just a bird, it is the voice, color, and spirit of the rainforest.